All right, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are installing some new taillights from American Modified on the Honda Accord. This is a 2018 Honda Accord, and these are going to be some smoked animation taillights from American Modified, so check these out.
All right, so here is the box it comes in, and they didn't mark either red or smoked, but these are going to be the smoked ones. It's going to have a sequential turn signal as well, so very excited to check it out. And then opening the box here, it is pretty nice for the packaging. Nice and snug in there and protected to make sure they don't get scratched. It also comes with a full instruction manual, which is pretty impressive, since most of my parts I got ever for my old Civic build never came with instructions. So to start off the install for these taillights, all you got to do is take out these clips in the liner in the trunk. Very easy to do. Then you got to take out these 4 screws under here. I believe they are 8mm. Right in those 2 holes there, and on the other side right here. And then you're gonna have to take out the 2 pieces right next to the tail light. They just really pop out, and the clips kind of break, so if you break them, it's fine. They gave you 2 replacement ones in the set of tail lights. After that, make sure you guys unscrew these 2 screws on each tail light, and then you're able to just pop them right out. And then to pop out the top portion, there's just 2 more little bolts on the side, which all you have to do is get those out on each side, and they will pop out as well. So here's the top portion we test fitted. It looks really, really nice. And then the bottom, of course, right here, we got it all plugged in. So far, it looks really, really good. And then they are very bright LEDs, so you don't need to worry about getting pulled over. And to route the cable, if you guys are wondering, you can put it under the weather stripping and then up and behind and zip tie it. Just to hide it, and it should look pretty nice. So now we got everything plugged in and nice and snug, and here is what the taillights look like. They look absolutely amazing. I love that brake light. The dotted brake light style looks really, really cool. And yeah, so here's what they look like when you have it turned off. So they're nice smoked look on this white Accord. And then when you guys start your car or just turn on your lights, it's gonna do this animation, which is pretty cool. So that animation is pretty cool. I love how the taillights turned out. It changes the whole look of the rear end. And then we got these awesome sequential turn signals. So with the hazards on, it looks pretty freaking cool. Check it out. And these are bright LEDs in there, so you don't have to worry about having smoke taillights and people not being able to see your lights. These are brighter than the OEM ones, so it does definitely stand out and look awesome on the car. And then there's with the brake off. So the brake is that dotted portion, which I really like the style of. And then for the reverse light, it is a pretty bright LED light right down here, which is awesome. Definitely like how it looks. I think out of all the options for taillights on the Accord, these are the best ones you could get. Definitely love the overall look. So if you guys are interested in checking these out, make sure to check out AmericanModified.com. Thank you to American Modified for sending these out. These are the LED smoked rear taillights. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out American Modified if you guys are interested in checking these out. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.
Ooh, baby, on that track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in that zoom, zoom.